Crispy goodness in the form of hot wings. Now all you've got to do is choose whether or not you want flatties or drummies. I'm Schuey, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make hot wings in 2 minutes. That's right, hot wings in 2 minutes, because you have people coming over and you need hot wings now. So just sit back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. Today's cook is all about the prep. So let's start with the main ingredient, wings. Chicken wings, that is, and I picked these ones up from Gippsland Premium Meats. Let's be honest, it's a little hard to make hot wings without wings. It's time to season these chicken wings, right? Wrong. We want to pat them with paper towel and remove as much moisture off them as we can. Not everything we cook needs to be moist. Into a bowl, add some baking powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper with our wings. Now just toss them around like the proverbial salad. Now the wings can go back in the fridge while you get the barbecue ready. While you're at the fridge, you might as well grab yourself another drink. Today I'm going to be using a 57cm Weber kettle, and I'm going to be pairing it up with my kettle cone. Why? Because I want to be cooking at temps of 240 degrees Celsius and above today. Now how I'll do that is by 3/4 filling a chimney starter up with briquettes. I'll light them up. Once they're fully ashed over, I'll put my kettle cone in the middle of the grill and I'll dump the lit fuel into it. Put the grill in place and throw the lid on, opening all the vents. Now we're going to let the grill warm up for 10 minutes. If you don't have a kettle cone, you can use 2 charcoal baskets pushed together. What you are going to need to do though is use a full chimney of briquettes to get the same sort of temp. The grill is hot, so we're just going to place the chicken around the outer edges. As this is where that hot air is being forced by the kettle cone, it's going to let them cook away for 45 minutes. I know what you're thinking to yourself, he said 2-minute wings. Hang on, be patient, this is just the prep stage. Go and grab yourself another beer or two. If you didn't know, the Weber lid vent creates a hot spot as the cold oxygen is sucked in through those bowl vents over and around our food. It's then forced back out through this lid vent. So to ensure an even cook, I recommend spinning the lid 1/3 of the way every 15 minutes. Or don't turn the lid and overcook some of them. I'm not the boss of you and you can do as you please. The wings are done because they've reached the internal temp of 74 degrees Celsius. It's time to get them off the heat, but don't forget, check your tongs first. Let these cool and we'll place them in the fridge. Wait a minute, we cooked them for longer than 2 minutes and now we're putting them in the fridge. It's time to keep my promise and show you the actual 2-minute wings. You have the lads coming over to watch the football, or the kids are bringing over their friends, or good old Uncle Barry has rocked up unannounced again. So we're going to heat up some rice bran oil to 180 degrees Celsius and flash fry these wings for 2 minutes. At the same time, we're going to heat up some hot sauce and butter in a saucepan. Shut up, Uncle Barry, they're coming. Have another beer. The wings are done. Let the excess oil drip off. Just place them into a bowl, add some hot sauce and toss them around to coat them all. That's it, you're done, 2-minute wings. Yes, there's some prep, but what cook doesn't have some prep? Now you can have wings ready in your fridge to make hot wings in 2 minutes. Today, I'm frying up 2-minute hot wings, or for those of you who like to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. This would be a great time to subscribe to my channel, and while you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button will notify you every time Uncle Barry drops in and drinks all my beer and eats all my wings. These are seriously that good, they should be illegal. As always, cheers for watching.